A text block is a great way to share information utilizing paragraph text and headings. Customizing your text is easy. Highlight and select your text type from the drop-down menu on the right. You can turn your paragraph text into a header, as well as customize your text using the toolbar. Once you're done, save your changes. You can customize the layout of your text as well. We offer 1-column and 2-column layouts. Hit Save to apply your new look. You can customize this block under the Advanced area. Keep in mind that these block settings will override the global settings you've set up. You can control the spacing, text alignment, colors, and background of the block. Now your clients are ready to learn more about you.